Okay, what I'm doing is I'm trying to give my late model Beetle an early looking dash. So anyway, I'm sitting here and I end up trimming this piece out, trimming it, and it's just some scrap metal I had laying around. And I put it under here, cut a little piece out, put it under here. And I'm trying to line it up just right. See how that is? Fitting there just perfect. So I'm thinking I'm going to weld that in. And then slowly tack it all the way around until that's done. But I got to clean the paint off the metal before I do that. Now I'm going to fill these holes right here in, so I can give myself an early looking dash. Now these little side things here, I'm going to actually keep. I'm actually going to keep those. I'm going to clean them up, get the rust off of them. And spray some acid on them and stuff to clean the rust up. But anyway, yeah, I'm just going to put this on here. Kind of seal all the air out from here. And then that vent right there that I have taped up, I'm going to be covering that like that too. I don't want a vent in my hood. I want to have it like the early model. I'm getting rid of all the fresh air. I'm going to put AC in this car anyway, so I don't feel like I need it. I have a need for that because I'm actually going to end up putting AC in it, which is probably going to bring, it's going to probably basically work off of fresh air. Anyway, besides that, if you want fresh air, crack open the window, you know. I'm just trying to figure out how I'm going to hold this in. I tried doing vice grip, but they keep going crooked. And I tried doing this welding clamps, and they kept going crooked too. So I think I'm going to have to probably do a magnet to hold it up. Probably going to have to put a magnet in it to hold it up. But I got the first one made up. Right here. I got the first one made up. And that's going to cover that spot there. All the way across. And once I get that welded in, I can clean that up. And then this right here, I'm just going to put something behind it and weld it in. You know, just weld it in. Looking up in here, I don't think anybody's going to really see that anyway when they look under here. So, I was just thinking, these ones I'm going to keep because I want to get the early style handle, grab handle, and put it on there. I think I could probably weld a bolt in there and then ground it down. That would probably look nice. And then I'm going to weld this hole, this hole, this hole, and this hole down here up. And then I'm going to put the rubber stops in here. And that'll keep this from rattling, you know. But it'll look nice. See how you can see those holes from here? You won't see those holes later. Now this dashboard is actually the original color. Right here. So I'm just trying to piece this together and see how I can get it in there. But I don't know why my camera's not focusing very good. There we go. But anyway, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put that in there. And I want to weld all those closed. I don't even want them. I'm going to weld all those in. I like how the early bugs look in the interior, so I want to give it that early look in the interior. I really like how the late models handle though. And that's kind of the reason why I'm just going ahead with the late model, because I do like how they handle. I mean, if I had my way, I would probably do an early model on a late model frame. That way I had there. Anyway.